Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you my first computer build, and here's the box. So for the first part of this video, I'll just be taking out the parts, and once in a while I'll be showing off the parts, but I really didn't plan on making a video for upload, so I don't start showing the parts until after I've already put out 2 items, I think. So this video is mainly just for me to check what I've gotten in the box and what I will still need to be getting in later packages. Excuse me. So you saw me moving to the left was my computer case, and here I'm bringing out my motherboard. So check one, and here's a Linksys wireless adapter. That's so I don't have to, well, more like I can't really wire myself up to internet for my room. And what I just brought out there was my CD drive, so I could download Windows 7 or anything else, or watch movies. Here's my HIS Radeon HD 6850 1GB hard drive. I mean, not hard drive, graphics card. There's my processor. I forgot the specs already, but it's AMD, I think, FX 4100. And this, I wasn't really sure how to open it, and then it turns out my fingers were already on it. And what this is going to be is my hard drive. And you can see I'm kind of confused with it because I kind of forgot what a hard drive looked like. Since this is my first build, of course, I didn't really know what anything would look like up front off the computer screen. So I'm going to put everything back in. Just because I'm not going to be building it today, since I just got home from school, late night classes. I'll be building it once I get all my parts, and that should be tomorrow or the next day. Okay. I'm pretty sure the next thing I take out is, yeah, my power supply. 600 watts. And I can't really say much about that since I really don't know much about power supplies. And next, whatever's left in the box. Oh, I probably shouldn't show this, but I get this weird promotional code thing for chairs. I guess if you want to, you could zoom in and take those codes, but I don't know. I don't care. So I'm just examining it because I don't really know if there was a promotion code, and then I noticed that there is, and I'm like, oh shit. Oh well, whatever. So now this thing is, as most of you could guess if you know how to build a computer, it's my RAM. 8 gigabytes, 2 sticks of 4 gigabyte RAM. From G.SKILL, there's Sniper, whatever, something, G.SKILL snipers. So now I'm putting everything back and seeing what's left in the box. And as you'll see in a couple seconds, all I have are these. And then I realized, no, I probably shouldn't have dropped them all over the place. And I give you bubble wrap. Alright, so now I'm just probably gonna show you everything, boxes in detail. The HIS Radeon processor, hard drive, my adapter, wireless adapter, my motherboard, my RAM, and my CD drive, and finally my power supply. Okay, well, this will be the end of the video. I'll probably build this within the next few days after I get my monitor and Windows 7 and some other stuff. Goodbye.